Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 28th of February. The euro moved even lower, touching the level of 136.42 before rebounding up to 137.26 against the US dollar. The pair moved lower after better than expected US core durable goods orders came out. The European unemployment rates are on the schedule for the day, and anything worse than forecasted may pave the way towards even lower lows. The US dollar slid from a high of 102.60 down to 101.54 against the Japanese yen. The yen appreciated as tensions in Ukraine are rising, and the Chinese yuan dropped the most since 2008. There are a lot of uncertainties in emerging markets, and it looks that there's a lot of demand for the yen. Looking at equities, the US 500 rallied from a low of 1832 all the way up to 1855 and is trading near a record high. The index rose after Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen stated that the Fed may change its strategy of trimming the asset purchasing in the economy. Looking at commodities, WTI crude oil fell from a weekly high of 103.06 down to 101.75 US dollars per barrel. Crude oil fell on speculation there's less demand for oil in the US, which is the biggest oil consumer. And our mover and shaker today is the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar collapsed down to a monthly low of 0.8902 against the US dollar and lost more than 150 pips within a week. The Aussie dollar looks bearish as the country's unemployment is rising and there are signs of limited economic growth. Next week, the Reserve Bank of Australia will hold its monthly meeting and we may see interest rates record even lower rates. And our option traders may consider constructing a bear put spread on the Aussie dollar and benefit from a possible downside. A bear put spread can be constructed by purchasing an in-the-money put and selling an out-of-the-money put. And watch out at 10 GMT in Europe. We have the CPI flash estimate year-on-year expected at 0.7%. At 13:30 GMT in Canada, we have the GDP month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.2%. And at 15:45 in the US, we have the pending home sales forecast to rise by 2.9%. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma Joe from the easy-forex Dealing Room. Have a good weekend.